Yeah. If you're the baller, you can't really hold me. Yeah.
Go slow. Go that way. Go that way. Back up. Go that way.
There's a gate here, by the way.
Go that way.
Oh! Oh, man, that's annoying. I should have had my brake.
This is pretty wide. This should be easy. Alright, there we go. That's better.
And I love these tires. No. So where can I crawl tomorrow? For real? You know anywhere? But I can't. I almost slipped. Oh yeah? Nice.
Got to roll over. Nicholas, turn your wheel hard to the right and back up. No, backwards. No, turn your wheel. Turn your wheels the other way. And then you're going to back up. Now go forward. There you go.
Back up still, though. And
Keep backing up.
There you go.
There you go.
Hope it ain't two guys.
Hey, Froggy.
Made it.
It's a big frog and a kind of a small frog, not really small. There's a frog on top of that frog, there's a frog on top of that frog. They're called piggyback frogs.
They just riding.
Oh, no, that's not happening. That's like to your knees.
That's deep.
That is really deep.
That is so funny.
But it'd be like your brother. Yeah, you're gonna have to get way out there.
Daddy, I kicked water at one of the two frogs sitting on each other, and they were like this. Why are they doing that, though?
It's a mommy frog and baby frogs.
Oh, cool. So the baby frog's on top?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby knees will hit them. I have 0. Which is crazy. Hopefully this won't be my first.
Oh, we go this way. Uh-oh, look out. You got it coming.
Rocky.
Ooh, I made it. nice and dry over here. Look. All these
Good. I like dry.
Now I got it. I got it.
I already got an idea how to do this.
I like back and then punch it just to get your.
Ooh, I think it'll.
You might.
I'll
You
hit
might.
then I'll hit.
Turn your wheel hard. Turn your wheel hard left and right and back up.
Left.
No, turn your wheel towards Devin. Back up. Hard, hard before you turn.
Yeah, I got it.
Back up a little bit.
Back up.
And then try
Now turn hard left.
See, I did that, and it's just going to slip. Hold on.
Hold up.
Hold, stay where you're at. Go
Devin,
forward.
get the rope.
Go
Get the rope.
forward.
Get the rope, Devin. Get the rope. Now we'll pull
No,
you.
because if you do, it'll go off my roof, and then it'll fall.
No, he's gonna pull you
Yeah, and
forward.
then pull me right down. Yep. Here, I'll hold it.
Put it on your. Just launch him
No, easy.
into wheels right there.
Now pull.
Now pull. Now have you pull him. Pull him. There you go. There we go.
Yeah, thank you. We made it. There's that one. Yeah.
Need help?
Get it back to that spot you was again, and then let him bump you.
I'm too locked in now.
You can't.
I need to be
I'm gonna
twisted that way.
Back out.
Hold on.
Okay, I got all the way up here.
I got you. up
Devin, give
here.
me your rope, please. Devin, give me your rope.
I might be able to push on your front end there and let you go.
All right, just
Here, hook me up.
just twist me sideways.
Here.
Put it on the silver truck.
He's gonna.
Can.
Let him do it. Okay, perfect.
Hold on. Back up. Let
Back
off.
up and then gun it. Or just yeah. Oh.
Here, put the rope on my truck for Nicholas.
Yep. That way we know we're going.
And we'll keep pulling each other up.
Because it ain't gonna make
Try
it.
it. Go up.
No, you're not gonna know
Try
if
it.
I need it.
Okay, let him try.
Let me try.
Nice. Okay. Oh, see? Oh, wait now.
Yeah.
Almost.
Here, okay, see.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice.
Nice job. Good job.
Whoa. Looks like a big.
It'd be nice to have a big
Wait, hold on. Back up. Now go fast.
Imagine in the backyard.
Look at that. Back up a little bit.
Oh, man, he's on it.
Okay.
Got it.
I got myself too.
Hey, none of us could get up and you did.
He did.
I did.
Oh,
And
did?
he flipped and he made it.
Yeah.
I got up it.
Oh, I made that one. Come on.
This is a momentum run here. You got to keep it going.
Oh, I crawled right.
Hold up. When you go, you got to go, okay?
My tires were hooking. I like these kind of rods.
You have to go like this. You go up here and then kind of get up on the rock and then go straight this way. As much as you can.
Watch this line. Watch this line.
Trying to get you guys on video. Didn't work too well.
Oh, no.
Especially the other one.
I'm making this one. Oh man, this is messed up over here. Uh-oh.
You okay, Nickel? Try not to knock you off a rock.
I'm gonna have to back up right where you're at, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Let me see this.
That one was in the
back
past.
so you can get
This is a
a fair
nasty
run
spot.
Kick it.
Get over
See if you can kick it hard. There you go. Now do it again.
Yeah.
Oop, too much.
Have you seen the Hero? RC4WD drive Hero?
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Hard body or true scale.
Oh yeah, you talking about the RC4 drive one? Yeah, I watched it, the review on it, that guy from RC something.
Sparks.
No, not Sparks. It was the other guy. There's another guy that does a lot of rat rods.
Oh,
Can't think of.
I actually have it with me.
I saw it, the blue one.
Yeah.
I saw it. I love it. Nice.
You're really gonna have a hard time right here because your truck's so wide.
mine will make
Yeah,
it
look at that. I just walked around that rock like it was not even there. Where am I gonna have a hard time at?
You gotta go all the way out and go into there, back up, and then come this way.
You got to get through first, huh? Oh, the gate don't. We're not trying for the gate yet.
Yeah, you gotta go all the way back. Like pull.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
This course is easier.
Hmm?
And then
This
just
course
back
is
up.
easier.
What?
This course is easier, right?
There's a lot of advanced everywhere.
Well, we ain't done with the course yet, so don't count your course yet.
Have you done this?
I got one.
It's already 4:15.
Crazy, I've not hit one yet.
You got to figure it out.
So that'd be like 5.
That's a bumper grabber there.
I got to try again at a different angle.
Can't get me here. I'm sorry, RC.
Right, go.
I'm gonna do this and get there. Now I'll make it. I just wanted to get over this.
Well, I was
one.
gonna say, yeah, go and turn your hard left and right and walk your tires up. That one, now turn right. There you go.
There it is.
Back up. Can you back up at all?
It'll spin. Look.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
got to go back that way, huh?
Hey,
Oh no, this
Need a
one.
push?
no, I don't. Hey, Devin, you said I couldn't get through there?
Easy.
That's good.
No getting up like those.
I got up.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Lemon squeezy, baby. Lemon, lemon, lemon.
Look for hanging a light.
Mm.
That's what I had on my bumper.
Nice.
You hit that, Daddy.
My antenna hit that.
Oh. That's not fair. Why is it going like that?
4 o'clock this morning.
Straighten it out. What'd you say?
I said I've had these shoes on since 4 o'clock.
You weren't up at 4 o'clock this morning.
4:30.
No. I got you
Hey,
up
that stick is moving the front.
right about 5. We didn't leave the house till like 10 after 5. Uh-oh.
What? Oh. Yeah, don't get stuck.
Okay.
You got it. Easy.
I gotta tell you, this freaking Gen 8 is impressing the crap out of me.
It's going good, isn't it?
As big as this body is, and it's going through places.
This little truck.
Looks like a bar. Looks like a. What do you call it?
Hi! All right. Evil couldn't evil. It's done it again.
Look at the roost on her.